She can't stop this truck.
She can't stop the truck.
She tells her daughter, who doesn't hear probably, hold on, baby. And she drives
Who doesn't hear probably?
Drives to a fucking brick wall.
First she told him to run. Then she said, hi.
Yo, bro, when I
bitch, which
seen
is
this
it?
shit, I thought the truck was just gonna go through the brick wall and it's just gonna slide safely. Shit goes through the brick wall. There's a fucking 20-foot drop off hill immediately after this shit. The truck goes flying through the air, turns sideways. This kid is still in his box.
Fucking box, bro.
Hit fucking ground, sparks, everything. This truck is getting fucking demolished. This truck hits another car
With
in
a bomb.